So first thing we're going to do is fill out the table. And so when it's x cubed plus 10, I'm just going to cube the x and then add 10. So 0 cubed plus 10 is just 10. And I always start off with 0 because it's normally the easiest. Then I go for the positive numbers. So 1 cubed is 1, plus 10 is 11. 2 cubed, so 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, plus 10 is 18. And 3 cubed, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, so that's going to be 37. Now minus 1 cubed, now some people think that minus 1 cubed will be a positive number, but it's minus 1 times minus 1, which is 1, times minus 1, which actually is going to be minus 1. So it's minus 1 plus 10, which is going to be 9. And then minus 2 cubed is going to be minus 8 plus 10, which is going to be 2. So when we plot this on the graph, minus 2 is going to be at 2, minus 1 is at 9, 0, 10, 1 is 11, 2 is 18, and 3 is 37. Okay, and you want to try and join these up with a curve. It looks like an S, the cubic, like that. Sometimes you get a dip like that. On this one you don't. So let's try and join these up with one straight line. I've already broken that rule. Oh, it's not very easy on this. And I would say that that's good enough. There's a little bit of wiggle there, but I think I can get away with that. The important thing is it goes through all the points and it's just one straight line. You don't do any feathering, and feathering is where you go like this. You know, I've exaggerated it slightly, but you just want to draw one line. Okay, so it says use the graph to find out the value of x when y is 15. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line across where y is 15. So y is 15 here, and the solution is going to be where the two lines hit. Now I think that's 1.7, so I'm going to go for 1.7 because it asks for one decimal place. Now normally with drawing questions, because people draw slightly different, normally there's a little bit of leeway in it, as long as you've used your graph and you've shown the examiner that you've used that line there.